Hi, welcome to Pritex Academy. I'm Dave. Today we are going to plot a normal distribution in Excel in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. So we need some x values and we'll start with 5 and with the interval of 0.05. So we write 5 minus 0.495 and then we select these two and drag it all the way down until we find the positive 5 value and we unselect the mouse there. Now we need to define the normal distribution function. So for that we need to type in this formula. um, then in the first part we need to define the x values. So we click on this cell which is our x value. We need to plot a normal distribution for that the mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1, and we keep the cumulative part 0, and then we press enter and then we drag it all the way down, and here voila. So we have got all the normal distribution values. Now we need to simply select all these data. So after selecting, would go to the scatter plot, not the line plot but the scatter plot, and from here we select this one. Yes, so we got the normal distribution from values -5 to +5. So we drag it up here and paste it here and resize it a bit. You can edit the lines by double clicking it on it. So I'll just show you. So here the window opens, you can change whatever you want. Let's change the name of the plot. We name it normal distribution. So that's it, we have plotted normal distribution in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Keep us subscribed so that you don't miss our next video.